obi bụ ekenekwa m unu ekene m unu mana otego asị m ka ọ dịkwala onye ọbụla na mma. It's been a while, so asị m ekenekwara unu for watching our video. It has not been easy, but we really thank God. Thank you guys for watching our video. Thank you for everything. So now we'll video na efere na social media. Ogechi Okeke Njaka sisi Jpac Jpac. Yes, okulia. O sisi Jpac. Because na kedu onye introduce Okite na social media? Oh, Jpac. Because na eme investigation of me. Man na Jpac ebugo zo one dibia video before Kongo dibia. Before Ogechi. Yes. Go and carry out your investigation. Oh, Jpac was one dibia video. Tupu Ogechi Nwanza no Kongo dibia webata into the game. Because na Ogechi Okeke Njaka na etimpu n'oko no wese gene si je kpotale ya Jpac Governor Soludo na echokwa ka akwụsị this atrocities. That is why Jpac na agbagali ọsọ gidi kita na asị Kongo dibia kwụsị ịgba video Ogechi kwụsị ime nke because no mana akpụwa isi na ya akpụ ahụ ọnụ o mana akpụwa isi aya akpụ afụ ọnụ. But that is not my area special. Just can be with tell unu video. We continue to watch our video, continue to share, and also now subscribe line at this our channel. Because like I say we tell you news, I don't sure no any other Igbo bloggers on this YouTube never tell you the video no my never and video I'm gonna begin all him and kind of I never soon na pime we're not in it as you guys have been watching, continue to subscribe and also getting enjoy this channel. I say mkunu si why it's always within me. Can support Igbo. Amakwa na mbachile mkpisi. It's always within me. Ọ na-atọ m ụtọ n'obi. Na n'obi m. Nsekwa unu again. Ka ọ dị n'mgbe ọzọ. At least time to time nwetakwa free chance. I always like to talk so that unu fokwa iru mmokwa na gịnị me na nka na around. Ngwe sị na ihe ọbụla onye na-eme agaziela onye ukwu gazie onye nta. Biko nachi ya back to my previous post, my first video na this channel. When Soludo no Okite the evil. No Okite the again the evil. Ndị na-eso m na this channel from day one. Cause go there, click on the channel, click on the oldest video. Yeah, for my first video when I was lamenting about this Okite. But I don't know more than for number. Like it mother na hate. I said cause the lawyer but na mma. Cause the numbers on the vine.
Lay no video now. Lay no this video now that is playing. Lay the video now that is playing. Lay this video now that is playing. Lay this video of fun. Lay this video now that is really playing. Now let me say what I'm about to say. This video now you're about to watch. Actually, can you watch China? Can you hear me? Where belly face will always go where his belly is facing. Check out Jpac in this video you're about to watch. I told you guys, the reason why Jpac always say Ndoka, because Ndoka cannot allow him to deceive himself, to penetrate like a snake, where belly face can't collect the money we want. I told you that the person that brought our pan on the timeline is this man called Wear Belly Face. He is the problem that our pan Okoko faced on this social media. He is the architect. He is the foundation of the foundations. Jpac. Check this video out. Make sure you watch this video to the end. You see where he's jumping? Because he didn't 200,000. Have you seen him come out and say something about arresting Akokoko? Who introduced Okite to social media is Jpac. Who brought Akokoko to social media? Jpac. Who opened page for Akokoko is Jpac. Who taught our youth that the only place Ijori boutique, Ijori bute wanyi otoloku, Ijori bute wanyi otoloku. You go to Okite. Okite. Lady Unanaju, ihe no kita. Unanaju. All these people that are carrying fake news, that Akoko is out, stop carrying fake news. Une buzila fake news. I stated this before, that everything I said, previous videos, remember what I told you guys about Akoko Tiwarake, what Jpac told me. The problem that Akoko is facing is the secret I released to the world when I was in good terms with Jpac. Yes. The main problem Akwa Tiwarake today is facing is the secret Jpac told me about Akoko. Everything I listed with the same thing. Ejirigano Lapa, Yakurompaya, Okina Bakasa. Person people body Bakasa. Jpac told me, and I said, go to my previous video. Every single word that I listed in those videos, we far from no Lapa. Let me tell all of you that the painting, covering up, trying to cover up what is the truth. Until you guys start advising all this day is the one in that. Chineke zoruna no no demo. Kambia June may have contents. Jpac wait for home and no. For those of you guys will see people that are in this video. I'm not surprised why Ejidela are long notes. I'm not surprised people that are behind that. All of you guys that know that what Akoko was doing before he was arrested are not justified. Many youths were deceived. I started this campaign 2021, 22, 23, 20 till today, till 25. I'm still campaigning for it. People are saying, Ndoka, fake pastor. If you catch any fake pastor, arrest him too. Nobody is exempt in this impunity. Arubaro. It doesn't matter who is attached, but let's not use sentiment. Let's not use gossips are not involved. Evidence we hear in this kind of cause. Governor Soludo, you are still the incubate and the main governor I have ever seen. Keep doing the good job. You are doing good job. Keep it up. Do not relent. Do not listen to what any only kuchai make you on. Papa, no they talk with anything. Akoko. And those of you that are still associating with Jpac, when your name is sorry. If you don't run away from that young man, you will be next. Because only Anna he meet you. He will always reveal secrets. Kenya 1 naira, he betray the next person. Kenya 2 naira, he betray the next person. He can never be trusted. Everything he told me would the main foundation of this thing. He is the one that revealed many secrets, and many people are going to fall again. Jpac should be looking to the guy watch the video to the end. This is how our youth are being deceived. Our youth are being Akoko should be investigated thoroughly without any sentiment. He should be investigated thoroughly. More calamities are coming. More calamities are coming. These coming days and months and years will be so hot. All these people, all these accessories must be apprehended. It's just a matter of time. All of them are supporting our plan. I supporting our plan. Nothing lasts forever. put an end to impunity, put an end to abomination, put an end to law. On that note, watch this video because this video, Jpac wear belly face. It's all about money. And okay, come out and talk about that. Come out. If it's sure for you, my bassy. If it's sure for you, put body.